Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BLPH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So first level of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above this level right here at $2.80. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.80, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to do it, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full, at full strength. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. So as far as resistance levels and where the sellers were hanging out at, two levels that stand out to me. The first one is kind of that initial hurdle, and that sits right there at $2.98. If the bulls can push through $2.98, the next key level of resistance right up there at the $3.10 mark. All in all, though, nice movement today, and as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing, what do I mean by that? Well, if you go back through the history of things and just kind of look at where the lows have started to play out, so as long as these lows just keep getting higher and higher, then you'll have these stair steps in the upwards direction. And as long as stair steps remain in play, then yeah, resistance levels will eventually fail. So just focus on building those higher lows and then just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.